Mr. People, last night did festive, so excuse this man, I just a rise up. So make we go and make a cup of tea, you know. We go out in the grounds in the backyard, people, if I go pick some fresh mint. Cause you know, so I have to second my belly, nothing like a good cup of tea of mint in the morningers. People, we gotta add like a ginger, cause nothing nice like a ginger, you know, fresh ginger, you know. Here what? My counter clean people can have to keep everything up. So we're gonna use the corner part of your hand and just crush it. Yeah, corner part of your hand and crush it. I use something to do. Through my hand trunk and then something there you will see. Corner part. You see what I lick it? Corner part you use. Take up all of the fresh ginger people and you gotta add it to the pot. You see, after the pot done boil and the water change color, you take it off a fire. Now we have with fresh cup of tea, ginger and mint. Not no nice like that. Me no use no sugar. No little bit of sugar or honey in there. Cause you no need it. And when me say, oh, the views, the verge. What you mean? When me say Jamaica nice, and everything just right. Smile through the sun a shine. Every single day we give thanks for life. Did you know that ginger and mint will cleanse out the digestion system? Come like the record scratch. So people are like, share and subscribe and comments are nothing but love. I mean.